Whoo, good morning. It is Tuesday, everybody. I got the Salt Princess and the Salt Prince with me today. We're going to start calling Uncle Michael the Salt Prince because he actually possesses more salt than Michaela Jordan D-Haas. He's in the mirror fixing his hair. He's also very vain.
It's already fixed. Look at that day.
We said stuff, Uncle Michael. We don't say the S word.
Closely shaved, looking sharp.
Looking sharp for the
My
flea.
Garth Brooks shirt on.
He does have the Garth Brooks on. Do you have the woodshop shoes on?
Nope.
No woodshop shoes.
I wear work shoes to work, not sandals.
Whatever. We're at the Oakland Coliseum Flea Market there. We haven't sold here in the longest time, and we're gonna give it another try. Look, we're in this huge line that wraps around and around and around the parking lot. And this is what you have to do. It just goes all the way around.
Okay, you need to get a pillow to keep in here.
I have two.
Yep. We are in the process of liquidating all the units that we bought over the last several weeks. We've been selling day in and day out lately. Every flea market you can think of, Alameda, Stockton, Concord, just repeat hustle, grinder, wine. Pooh! And this will be another exciting episode of watching Uncle Michael turn water into wine. Before we get started with this day and unload and sell and make some money, don't forget the like button. It's the big little thumbs up down there and underneath the video. Smash that baby. Let everybody know this was a good video. And if you could, kindly share this video. And don't forget to say something really, really nice and cute like, Pirate, your eyes look really tired, but you're still on point. Something like that. Whatever. Anyway, on with the show. And here we are, almost 40 minutes later. We're still waiting in line. We're still just moving around in this double helix circle. So we're getting in line at the flea market here, and it looks like they have a robot camera right here. Does anybody have any idea what that is? What does it say? It says something on there. I don't know. That's weird. It looks like a camera that just takes photos.
Let's see.
I know, right?
Last time we're here?
Yeah, shoes with Alec.
Oh yeah, those guys who ripped our shoes off. They're gonna want to buy our. We had them in a pile. They were Louis Vuittons. They were gonna pay us like $400, and then all of a sudden, when they came to pay, they were gone. It was bull crap. Uncle Michael let it happen.
That was him and your dad and Alex. Got by.
No taxi driving.
Well, those ones is $120 for the entire set. They're $30 a train used on eBay right now. We're set up here at the flea market. Got Salt Princess on the phone. Got Uncle Michael just staring at his coffee. And the Oakland market is a tough market. One of the biggest problems is everybody's a reseller. And here's one of the biggest problems of reselling. People are, for lack of better words, greedy. They ain't trying to just be happy doubling their money. If you go out, you pick something, you double your money, be content. Understand that is a good variable in order to make your money back on. Too many people want to come out and they want to spend like $3 to get 20.
Take 10 for him?
Yeah. They're not happy with just doubling. They need to make like 5 times their money, 4 times their money. And that makes the product of business really slow for somebody who's bringing the goods for them to keep buying. So you got to think and keep that in mind when you're trying to sell at the flea market. Watch your customers, know which ones are resellers, know why they finagle with their dirty looks, making you feel bad. That's 75. And yeah. Here's Uncle Mike trying to negotiate. Which one? Hank Aaron is 50. It's only Hank Aaron. I have no idea. Maybe a Giants team or something. The team balls are $150 each. Uncle Michael over here trying to upsell. He didn't even know about baseball. Probably never even watched a game in his life. He's just gonna wing it though. Guys, these are the greatest teams of all time. There's the most major league players you've ever seen, all in one ball. Back to what I was saying though before I was distracted. People tend to tour you and selling something because they look at you like, I just was trying to sell a vintage Pyrex bowl. Bowl is worth $30 or so on eBay. I told a lady 15. She looked at me like I farted. She was like, and I know already she's gonna try to go sell to her table or eBay for at least $30. But you're looking at me like I'm crazy because I only want half of what I can sell it for right now. Sure. What do you think? What do you think's fair on that? $5, he says. Sales are rolling in. We just sold the Hank Aaron baseball for $50 signed. Then we just sold the Daughters of the Confederacy poster for $40. That's the size of the track.
Oh, okay. So only a few pieces, right?
Yeah, but this is standard. Like every whole scale train is that size.
Oh, okay.
What's that?
$3
$3 each on jeans, right?
Which ones are those?
No brand utility.
Yeah, $3. Those ones in there were 3, Uncle Michael, and those ones were 4. I'll probably end up putting the Mickey on eBay.
Uncle Michael, what is that?
What is this over here, Uncle Michael? Michaela's really in
What's that over there?
Crick right there.
a crick.
Crickets live there. That's where they come
Crickets. Michaela is extremely amused that Uncle Michael called the body of water next to us, the creek, a crick. Yeah, baby girl. We're out here, cold. Michaela is bottled up, under blankets, on the phone, barely making us any money.
No customers here.
Uncle, well, how are you gonna get customers when you look closed? You guys look all close hidden. Yeah.
We're open. We're open. Me. Doors are open.
Shop.
Is it Stop and Shop, Uncle Michael? Pop, drop, and shop. Tap in. Uncle Michael's over here telling everybody to tap in, Michaela.
You saying tapping in?
Tell him to tap in.
No tapping in, I'll make you.
Just cut stuff everywhere. Got the goods in here. Oakland don't like you selling high-end stuff. They're very picky. That's what the flea market looks like. I might as well walk around for a minute because these guys they need to make their money. So let's browse wares here. Look at this. Look at this type of stuff. Not what you imagine to see at the flea market. There's good old Juan. Came out to the car unit the other day. He will bring big, massive booths out here and just lay it all on the ground. Like so. Just junk. Remember when I bid on that piece? And that piece?
He said they don't have no space outside. The other side.
Oh, they're not letting people park over there? You got a small little booth here today. This is the smallest booth you guys ever seen Aziz have. Oh, this is all you over here too? Oh, okay. Okay, he's got... Nice. Stuff. Bob, what up? Good morning. Yeah? Making any money over here?
Yeah, a little bit.
It's better than none. At least you're making something. Ooh, it is cold here. Jewelry. Another big vendor like me here takes out everything. Imagine that, Uncle Michael's on his phone.
$560, that's a good price.
What?
$560, all 6 tires.
Nice. We got to buy new tires for the Dodge. $560.
Dodge is gonna be like loving it.
We're gonna be loving in our safety. We went to the dumps the other day, and it was a little wet inside of the dumps. And I went to hit the brakes, and I slowed down. It was so wet, the truck just kept sliding like this. Heck of slow. The guy's like, "Are you all right? Is it right for you to pull in here?" I was like, "I don't know." Turns out the tires are bald. We need new tires on a Dodge. Almost 600. Well, it's 560 because we get the hookup, but I got to get them mounted. So we'll see what that's gonna cost. Uncle Michael, what are you slashing?
All the prices.
What prices, girl? All of them?
On the front table.
What's your money looking like right now?
I haven't counted it. I'm just trying to make it all face
I don't
right
like
way.
when it's all organized.
What? Yeah, you do.
That's not me.
Oh my god, I do it every
We get a
time
little
I
quick
have them.
run through of it.
60, 70.
This is Uncle Michael's tactic, so he knows he didn't really want 3. He really wanted 3 for everything. He told the guy he's asking $2 each for 3 of them. He can have 4. 5 for the gnome. He's putting it back. See, guys? Counter.
Did not hear you? Throw it at him.
No.
I don't know if he wanted it for $1. He didn't want to. I don't know if he heard you or not.
He probably can't hear you. Uncle Michael tracked him down, almost scared the old man. Old man's like, screw it, I'll give you 2. It's gone. Have a great day. Have a great day, Uncle Michael said. Look at him, he thinks he's so cool. He made a $2 sale on a 5.
Chase him down to get money out of him. Jesus Christ, what kind of business is this?
Still, well, there's a lot more. Keep chasing everybody down. Chase every customer, get $2 at him, we'll be in good shape. Ladies and gentlemen, look who it is. The oldest British man in the entire galaxy.
The entire galaxy. Exactly.
Mr. Burns. It is Mr. Burns.
Centuries. Harold, your shoes untied.
Harold, yeah, your shoe's untied. McKay's gonna tie your shoe for you. Baby girl, tie his shoe.
It's not untied.
Yeah, it is. One of them, Uncle Michael, you get it.
Oh, he's been robbed. Oh, yeah, you're looking for mine.
We had this whole plan that Michaela's gonna tie your shoe and steal your money.
Place to be undone first, and secondly, you got to wait for some money to be in the sock. Good morning. Okay, did you not say to me you'd rather poke out your eyeballs with sticks? Might not be sticks, but I'm gonna say sticks because we're online.
He's learning to not say.
Yes, exactly. I will poke my eyeballs
It rhymes
out
with
with
sticks.
sticks if I ever go to Oakland again. So here's my stick, and let's get on with poking. You want to poke the other one?
Is that what he told you?
He told me that. Both eyeballs. You can have one, I'll have the other, okay?
And here we are. Cool.
Yes, with sticks. Do you remember what are you doing in Oakland?
Yeah, I needed to sell. I need an extra day.
Oh, you're good, you're good. I think Oakland's the way to go.
No, I'm not impressed
do,
with
I
what
do.
we're selling here.
No, it's crap, but you know. Yeah, nobody likes clowns.
Give me 20 for those.
How much?
20 for those 3.
All 3.
All 3 right now for
Those
20.
are big gamble. They're very horrible.
They're
You
certified.
Did you look them up?
They got COAs.
always on the back.
They're horrible.
You're horrible.
Let's make
You make this pile
I'm gonna show you.
I
I'm
was
gonna.
thinking about going to Santa Barbara.
I'm gonna show you
I
what-
really don't have an inventory. Yeah?
I want
First of all,
150 on each of these.
I'll have to leave
150
like
on
a
those.
stand
100.
with you. Look, I'll give you.
That right there
how
is like,
much?
look, 150, 150, 150, 150, 100. Then you're talking, I want 75, 75,
give him
75, 40, 40. I'm just saying. I'm just
Right,
saying.
right,
Let's just
right.
say, hypothetically, I said, Harold, you know, I like you. You can have all those for 225, which is cheaper than I'm asking anyway, correct? 75, 75, 75, 40, 40, 10, 10. 600, 700, 900 bucks right there for this. Just right here. This right here is 900 bucks in my eyes.
Not necessarily. I just think he's got
Those
a few
two he would
helmets
love.
and
He would
basketballs
love
in
them.
similar boxes.
He would love that.
I thought that would be cool.
He would
And
love
he used to
something
wear
like
a Joe Montana.
Point at it again, Uncle
Oh,
Michael.
he would love it. He would love
On the helmets. Yeah.
200 bucks on the helmets is.
Yeah. Instead of
No.
free. And then I don't know about the rest of the garbage. I really don't.
It's not garbage. This is a whole
Well,
team.
and
This is
garbage,
a whole
I mean,
team
you
Giants
know,
baseball
I
from
like
the
it,
70s.
but I mean, yeah. All
You don't
right.
know about that stuff.
How much for those 3?
I'm asking 150, 150, and 100.
So that's 4.
400. Let's show Harold 3.
Okay.
You got to have some players and get rid of them. Let's see 3. So
That
now we're
would
looking
be
at
5. So that would be 5. And you said how much for this?
This is not for sale.
Crap.
Harold, what do you want? What do you mean by boards of crap?
The whole
Good,
everything
beautiful
is
thing.
all-
Everything
all
I
that.
want is always crap in it. Now, all the best stuff I want, of course, I'm clever like that, right? I like the chairs too, though.
And we're discussing something, Harold. What do you call my stuff crap for?
You know, it's good stuff. It's the best of what I've ever seen. It's very nice. I shan't complain.
What's your offer on that stuff? Look at all the cool stuff in there.
No, the stuff.
I say 20 bucks for both of them. 20 bucks for both of those.
Right,
Just like that.
I'll take those. I can stick those in the bag. A lot of money for once upon a time.
To me, it just looks quality. If you look on the back, it's kind of vintagey looking. The signature's hard to read,
Very.
but it's just well done. Look at it.
That's cool. I like the colors on it. Nice.
75 is what I'm asking. I'll give it to you for 50.
Remember the washstand that was at the fair? That was at the Alameda Market Sunday?
I thought that
Are you
was.
throwing it away?
I thought that was Michael's.
No, it's mine. I bought it from this guy.
Oh, that thing.
Yeah, that means you're just trying to. You want to throw it away, and you want me to throw it away for you?
No. I want you to store it for me.
Oh, remember what happened last time I stored something for him, Uncle Michael?
If he's going to do this sale, let's just work with them.
Uncle Michael is a smart. Lucky you had him around as well.
Uncle Michael? I'm grateful for Uncle Michael.
You better be grateful.
I think
I got Uncle Michael and Michaela. I got the best team in the world.
I'll take
Put my money where my mouth is. Read at 20 and 20, so that's a $40 stack right there.
No.
That's a
Both
$40.
these 10 and
I
10?
told him 20 for all that.
20?
PayPal easily accessible.
My PayPal?
If I call my son to
Yeah,
put
because your
money in
son
it.
put the money in though this time. That's the problem. Last time your son
he's
didn't
got
put the
my
money in.
this time.
Okay. Maybe girl, we're selling stuff to Harold.
Yeah, what are we selling him?
What are we doing here on this, Michael?
I don't-
5 and not the bobbleheads?
Well, so far we're proposing.
We're 5 here.
It's proposed 5. I don't know about the balls. I like the helmets.
My price was
Those will sell.
$800, so
Those
that's a
will sell.
$300 off price
Those will
there.
sell.
I know it's
Right?
$100 on a baseball.
You have all sorts of customers down there in Fantasyland.
Babe Ruth.
Yes, we do. Yeah, no, they sell. I know they sell. I know they sell. They're a $2,000 baseball.
Exactly.
The Babe
I
Ruth
sold a
ones.
Babe Ruth baseball for $8,500 once, buddy. And little do you realize that Babe Ruth was probably one of the most prolific. Listen to this.
Yeah, and he was
Babe
out
Ruth
there.
is one of the most prolific autographs. He sells far more than George Washington,
Really?
than anybody you could think of. Damn
You have a
it,
Verizon
285,000 for his highest autograph.
Really?
Yeah,
But he did-
it was a 9, a grade 9, or maybe it was just under 9. I had a grade
$30
5.5
all
or
of
so,
it.
6. Got 85.
30 for the whole bag.
And I took cheap money. I swear on everything. I just showed you a $1,900 brand new jacket, and this is still the nicest thing I have in my entire. See that name right there, Howard Jones. Look up Howard
You serious?
William Jones. He's in the Smithsonian.
How
I got 2 pieces of his out of this unit.
And he's.
We're gonna have this appraised.
When
actually.
was this?
Time to pack up now. All done. Harold's been finagling and finagling and haggling us. I think he backed out on the helmets. Those are all good clothes. Hustle, grind, rewind. Back at it at the storage, loading up for Wednesday's flea market now. Took out the good stuff, put it over here, because I'm probably not going to take this all tomorrow. Load up all that to go in there for Stockton again. That is the rewind. Guys, look at this. The Salt Princess, saltiest child in the world, brought me a sandwich for lunch. She's forced me to eat. Isn't that cute? What are you doing? You filming me, filming you? Well, the only difference is mine's going on YouTube, yours isn't. Shots fired. Now that we're all loaded for the market, we are enjoying ice creams because the Salt Princess went and got us ice creams. Ads. I was going to sell us today. I told the guy, hey, give me $120. I didn't want him to argue with me. He made me look it up. I found out that it's like $290 used on eBay and then some. So I'm just going to list it myself, and he's SOL.